fight you when you...
No, owls, they'll never fight anyone. They do not. They won't fight you, but instead, they're actually there to help us. That's the...
Was yesterday we tried to... We actually wanted to open the window so that it goes out, but it was during the day. So, looking at the eyes, we just got scared.
Okay,
they just closed the room.
Yes, they're actually nocturnal. They're only active at night, and then during the day, that's when they are sleeping. So, mostly they get disturbed sometimes, and then that's why you see them flying during the day. But in most cases, it will be at night. Yes. Okay.
So we just knew that it went through the chimney.
They came in through the chimney, yes. Okay, yeah, because mostly they're looking for like a place to roost or a place to actually breed. So that's why we find them like in these small spaces, even in the gutters you can find them. So that's why we also like put boxes. We put our boxes up for it to be like for them to have a place to breed. How do you feel about owls?
I don't like it.
You don't like it?
Like it's associated with witchcraft.
Okay. Yes, it's actually, it's like that. Most people, they associate it with like witchcraft, bad luck. But looking at the scientific part, owls are actually very good for the environment because they control the rats populations. They feed on rats and mice, so they are actually good for the environment. So, are you gonna be like okay today?
Okay with what?
Okay. Let's go.